The Cirrus EasyTouch Pro is a high-voltage cable tester with a built-in Windows operating system and touchscreen. Like all Cirrus products, the EasyTouch Pro was designed to be integrated with minimal effort into your manufacturing process. The built-in Windows operating system turns the tester into a self-contained test platform with strong data collection and reporting capabilities. The EasyTouch Pro can work as a standalone test system or can network with other units for large organizations. A single unit is expandable to accommodate complex assemblies and can also easily move around the production floor to different test stations. The most unique feature of the EasyTouch Pro is its ability to store test programs, test results, and other information without connecting to a stationary computer. This allows easy integration of high-voltage testing into your test process. The EasyTouch Pro also features the Cirrus Adapter System for quick test setup and creation, Cirrus EasyWire software for building and maintaining test programs, a large 10-inch full-color display with a capacitive touchscreen interface. With a compact chassis and built-in Windows 10 operating system, the EasyTouch Pro high-voltage tester provides functionality and flexibility. The EasyTouch Pro enables you to provide quality and safety for the industries you serve. Call Cirrus to discuss availability and pricing or to order a free demo unit.